What is BWS? Beckwith-Wiedemann syndrome is an overgrowth disorder usually present at the birth, characterized by an increased risk of childhood cancer and certain congenital features. Who participated in BWS? This is a scholarship program for university students from Baden-Württemberg, Germany student. From Baden-Württemberg can use the scholarship to study abroad and international students can use it to study. In this case, participating in BWS refers to being a recipient of the scholarship. What was the world currency today? There is no single world currency, but the US dollar is the world's most widely used reserve currency. It's been the world's main reserve currency since the end of World War II. The US dollar is the most stable and liquid form of exchange and the most redeemable currency for vacillating world commercial or commerce. Central bank, cooperate and government use reserve currencies in the transaction. As the second quarter of 2024, central bank held around 58.22% of their allocated reserve in US dollar. How does the world currency work? How does the world currency work? The global economy is structured around the foreign exchange market, where currency are bought, sold, and exchanged. The foreign exchange market is the world's largest financial market by the value of currency traded. Like for example, when the foreign go to US, they can exchange the money. Example, we are Filipino and we go travel into US, but our currency money that didn't accept there. So that's why we will exchange to the US dollar. How a country borrow from other under BWS. The Bretton Woods system collapsed in 1970 but had lasting influence on international currency exchange and trade through the development of the International Monetary Funds and World Bank. Ang pagkakalam ko dito, nag-collapse sila but ang ginawa nila, tinaasan nila yung currency or yung currency exchange para umangat sila at hindi na sila makapag-borrow sa other country. Yan ang pagkakaalam ko. What institution are under BWS? The institution are under in the BWS in International Monetary Fund, short of IMF. And the other one is International Finance Corporation, IFC. Other multilateral investment guarantee agencies, that is MIGA or in short MIGA. And other one is the World Bank. And the last one is the World Trade Organization, that is WTO. It still exists. If not, why? What replace it? Yes, they still exist. Why? Because W is the biggest help in the currency exchange in the world. So I don't need to replace it because the other country like US, they always exist of the money, like yung US dollar nila tumataas yung currency nila, kaya sila pa rin ang namumuna right now. I compared BWS and BRICS. BWS have a Brazil, South Africa, and South Korea. And the other one, the BRICS, have the Brazil, Russia, India, China, and the South Africa. They are both economics blocks but they differ significant. Like BWS Focus is on cooperation between Brazil, South Africa, and South Korea, emphasizing South and South cooperation. In the BRICS include Brazil, Russia, India, China, and South Africa, representing major emerging economics from diverse regions. That's all. Thank you.